What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter. Today I'm featuring these beautiful Almomdettos pastel nails done on 3MTV Mercedes. If y'all not following them already, go ahead and follow their channel. Get into these. I put blue and clear Swarovskis on the 4 nails and beautiful iridescent white glitter on the pinkies. And this beautiful set took me about 3 hours. I'm still new to this, and this is like my second set of Almomdettos. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks so much, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Y'all have a good day.